First workout. Keep your neck neutral and avoid pulling on your head with your hands. Focus on lifting with your abs, not your neck or shoulders. Next workout. Engage your core throughout the exercise to keep your lower back pressed into the floor and prevent any strain. Rest. Next workout. Keep your back straight and avoid rounding your shoulders to prevent strain on your lower back. Next workout. Keep your arms straight and avoid using momentum to lift your torso. Focus on contracting your abs to perform the movement. Rest. Next workout. Keep your body in a straight line from head to feet and avoid dropping your hips to maintain tension on the obliques. Next workout. Keep your movements controlled and avoid using momentum to lift your legs and torso. Focus on using your abs to perform the movement. Rest. Next workout. Ensure you twist fully to engage your obliques, but maintain control to prevent any strain on your lower back.